Hello everyone, welcome in the next tutorial. Before proceeding into the animation tab which is shown over here, I want to show you one important things which is related to different views. So in past videos we have many times used regarding this presentation mode. I hope it is which is renamed as a slideshow. I hope it is clear to you, but in this tutorial only we are going to utilize much more, which are the features available which is at the bottom of our whole view. So first of all, which is called as let's say about which is available as a notes. So if I click on this, you can see the one tab is become highlight hide, and now we want to show it. So with the help of notes we can show it over here. So these things, I think one of our earlier lecture we have used, I think where, yes, probably in this slide, or let's say here in this slide we have utilized these nodes. Let me big this one so that you can read it out. So by dragging this you can view or watch out what are the nodes available, and notes which will be useful for whenever you are doing the presentation. So for that purpose, let us assume that let me keep this like as this like, and here, let's say here I want to tell at the time of presentation I want to have some notes, and notes are like, so in the bottom of the screen I have mentioned as a prompt engineering is the input of multiple words to get the desired output. This thing I want to talk where at the time of the presentation, like this is the thing. So when we are in the presentation mode, let me go with the some back slide number 5. Here one thing is available. If I press this, in the next slide I want to tell something. So for that I have written down, let me do the escape, and I have written down these notes which will be visible at the time of the presentation view. So how you can activate this? Let us click right click over here, show presentation view. So see, whatever the notes we have provided for this particular slide is available over here. Prompt engineering is input of multiple words to get the desired output. So this screen is visible only to the presenter but not to all, and to all this is the screen which will be available. So how we have arrived? We have just right click over here and we have activated the presentation view, and from here we can show and de-show or stop the presentation view. I hope it is clear. So this is the notes tab where we can put our remarks which we want to present to someone. Now what is the next is available normal view, and normal view with these bigger sections. So when we click over here, the sections and different notes which we have written down is available over here, but let us keep this as a simple one so that we can have a look what we have added over here. This tab is very useful for slide sorter, which is called as a slide sorter. So if I click over here, and you can see that multiple slides are available, but here important things to note, it is distributed along with the sections. So if I click on this small button, it will directly hide, and if I click over here, see all the 11 slides are getting hide. Now let us assume that you want to move the slide before 15. So just you have to click and drag it over here. Automatically all the slides are arranged over here. Okay, so this will be very helpful to short or de-short. So let me do the undo. This is the feature which is called as a slide sorter. From here also you can implement easily different available transitions. So if I want to go over here and if I want to do, let's say, random transition, that it will automatically select any of the transition. So I have just changed from here, so it will be very easy for us to edit anything like transitions and slide sorting from back and forth and all. So we can utilize this one. Now another thing which is available as a reading view, if I click over here, you can see that our slides are become more bigger one, and nothing is visible on the screen, just only our slide is available. So if I click on the left, see, only it is like reading view where we can read everything. So this is the feature which is available. Now we want to go back to our original scenario. How you can go? So here you need to click on the again normal button. Now let us assume that in home tab you have added some box, and which is box is a little bit outside. See, and I have zoom in, zoom out, and this thing I have added, and now it is not properly fit. So you can zoom in and zoom out with this button, or with control and scroll up and scroll down button you can utilize this. Okay, and now if you click over here, flip to current slide, see automatically it has been fitted along with the all the required details. So if I have zoom out, and now if I click over here, see flip to what it is called, yes, fit slide to current window. So automatically it will be fitted over here. Now let us delete. And somehow if you have like this one and you want to do the fit, you just have to click over here. So all our content will be fit centrally and horizontally and also the vertically. I hope this is the also clear to you. Now here we have used this slideshow. See, this is the slideshow. Again, on the top of the screen, slideshow is available. So it is the, I think, little bit same one. But if you have you are at this slide number 5, when you click over here, what it starts from only directly slide number 5. But if you want to start it from beginning, you just have to click over here. Okay, so from start it will be shown. So likewise, but here I think I need more details to explain you everything. So let us skip and currently focused on different views available. Then in the consequent lecture or in next tutorials, we may go. We will learn about this available slideshow features, and in the next sections we are also going to learn about the animation. So be with the course and enjoy learning. Thank you.